During every single stream that I'm doing, there's always 1 or 2 people that ask me, I want to get into streaming, what do I need to know? How can I grow? I've been streaming for a couple months now, but I'm still at 0 viewers all the time. What do I need to change in order to get more viewers into my stream? So I figured, why not take a minute and let's just talk about it. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Luke, and in today's video I want to talk to you about the 3 bases that I think every single streamer needs to cover before hitting the like button. And unfortunately, these are so straightforward in my opinion and so commonly known, but still no one is really doing it. And at any point, if you disagree with me or you think that I missed something, please, I stream every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday over on Twitch. Link is down in the description. Come by, let's talk about it. While I have a lot of videos on YouTube trying to explain to you how Twitch works and what is going on Twitch, I noticed that I don't have a video simply addressing the fact of bases that everyone needs to cover when starting their stream. So I figured, let's just do it. Here are my 3 bases that you need to cover before hitting the broadcast button. The very first basis that you need to cover and that you need to understand is the most important thing about your stream is audio. There are a lot of different microphones out there. There's a lot of different programs out there that can put filters on top of your microphone to make it sound even more professional. But the question did come up on stream one time, I want to get into streaming, but I don't have a microphone and I do not want to stream with a microphone. The thing is, if you want to get into live streaming, you do need a microphone. There's absolutely no way around not having a microphone. You need to somehow engage with your viewers. You need to somehow communicate with your viewers. If there's something going on in chat, how are you going to respond without a microphone? The answer to that was, oh, I will just reply in chat. But think about it. You are playing a game and you're at the same time trying to type in chat. It's just not working out. You need a microphone in order to communicate with your viewers. So please, no microphone, no stream, it's that simple. The second basis is your face cam. And the question comes up all the time, and it's a pretty heated debate. Do you really need a face cam to live stream? And my answer is cut and simple. Yes. I do not recommend you even start live streaming if you don't have a webcam. It just makes your chances of getting discovered, to blow up, to even make this a hobby or a career at some point so much slimmer if you don't have a face cam. The main reason why people watch Twitch or live streaming in general is because they want to connect with the streamer. To an extent, they want to socialize with you. And if they can't see you, it just makes it that much harder for them to build a connection with you, or you even building a connection with your viewership. So in my opinion, no face cam, no stream. And the last basis that you need to cover are your social medias. And I know we've talked about it, and we all know that in order to grow on Twitch, you need to grow somewhere else, and you need to bring that viewership, that audience, whatever it is, over to your Twitch stream. And here's the thing. Utilize the social media platforms for what they're meant to be. Don't use the social media platforms to simply spam your link. Twitter, share your thoughts on any news, any games, any streams that you might have, anything that you enjoy in life. Instagram, post photos of what you're up to, behind the scenes of how your stream setup looks, how streaming in general works for you, and then put your Twitch highlights and your clips on YouTube. Don't use social media to only spam your link. Anyways, I would say don't put your link on social media at all. And these are, in my opinion, the basics that everyone needs to know and cover before it comes to live streaming. And if you're not even doing these basic things, I think you have no right almost to live stream and complain that you have 0 viewers. Because there's so much you can do in order to grow your live stream, and you haven't even tried these things and you're just looking for a quick fix to blow up. And this is simply not how Twitch works. But again, if you disagree, link to my Twitch is down in the description. I would love to have a discussion about it. But here's one more bonus tip I would like to give you, and this is overlays. You need to know the current trend of where overlays are heading, and meanwhile, in the last couple years, flashy overlays and being all up in your face maybe was a thing. In 2020, overlays needs to be clean. It needs to be as clean as possible. A minimal webcam border, minimal alerts, just really subtle, crisp, and clean. So make sure you follow the current trends. I'm not saying you can't have an overlay at all. I'm not saying you can't display your recent follower and things like that. But when you do, make sure they're not covering up anything important for your viewers from the game or either parts of yourself. You might need to adjust your overlay based on the game that you play, and instead of having your followers right in the middle of the screen, push them down to the bottom, or if you have a scoreboard on the bottom, push them up to the top. Make sure your overlay is never in the way and taken away from you or the gameplay. And there you have it, guys. Those are my basics that I think everyone needs to cover, so the next time you are in my stream and you would like to know how to grow, I will link you straight to this video. If you are not utilizing these 3 really basic tips, then I'm sorry, but I cannot help you. If you like the video though, make sure you smash the like button. It really helps out the channel a lot. And if you want to stick around and you want to learn more about Twitch, live streaming in general, make sure you hit the sub button down below with the bell so you're notified every Wednesday and Saturday when I upload a new video. I hope you guys have an amazing day. Stay awesome, stay hydrated. I will catch you next time.